1999 Ford F350 four-wheel drive dually, 79,000 miles, 7.3 power stroke diesel. Let's take it for a test drive. So you'll find us with power stroke 7.3 turbo diesels here at PC Classic Cars on the regular, but you don't see us with a whole bunch of dualies. But this is a super cool truck. It is a 1999 Ford F350 factory four-wheel drive dually truck with 79,453 actual miles. So it's not even broken in yet mechanically. It is the original numbers matching 7.3, runs like a brand new truck. Also has your stock 4R100 automatic overdrive transmission that it was born with. No complaints from the motor or the transmission. Still also retains the original exhaust system. So you really hear more of that 7.3 than you do exhaust, which 7.3s for me are the best sounding diesel motor. I'm a huge fan of these trucks and all of the configurations, but I love the 7.3. But motor, transmission, exhaust, all stock style outside of having the Aftermarket Evolution programmer here. Your standard brakes, your stock steering as well. Factory heat and AC work exactly like they should. Four-wheel drive system is factory and works correctly as well. This is a truck you can hop in and put to work today. It is ready to go. Mechanically, it's spot on, something that you can drive every day if you want to. Hook up a trailer and put it to work. Do whatever you want to do. It is a comfortable truck. We're cruising at 65 miles an hour right now. It feels like I'm driving my brand new truck like I do every single day. So zero complaints from this thing. As far as the mechanicals, on the interior, it's your medium Prairie cloth. It's like a tan interior. Top of the dash is in great shape. Headliner visors, fold down center seat here, all represents great. Couple little small spots on the seat bottom up here in the front, but nothing to really note. It shows great. Carpets look good, floor mats look good. Door panels front and rear are all nice. Up under the dash here, you have an Aftermarket CB antenna. You got your trailer brake controller up under the column over here. And then you have your programmer up with the suction cup on the windshield here on the front corner on the driver's side. Again, interior here is really clean. Center console opens and closes properly. Glove box does the same. If I did not mention it before, this is a clean Carfax, clean auto check, and a documented 79,000 actual miles. So it is a truck, again, you can put this thing to work tomorrow if you want to. All your plastics in here, your cup holders, pop open and close like they should. Make sure you get a little, put it where it needs to go. Got your ashtray door there. Doesn't smell like anyone's ever smoked in here. You got your little cigarette lighter. The only things not working on this particular truck, and let me just verify, yeah, so there was two things. Your fog lights don't work, and then the passenger power mirror doesn't want to go up and down. So those are the two things on this one that are not functioning properly. You will see a screenshot of that doesn't work section in the additional media tab on the website, PCClassicCars.com. See, performs exactly like you'd want a 7.3 to perform. It runs great. On the underneath, no rust issues, floors, frame, inner rockers, bottom of the cab, underneath the bed. It all shows exactly like it should. There's no problems of any kind underneath this pickup. It's a really good, solid truck. On the exterior, it's a factory Woodland green exterior. You obviously have your topper. You can take that off if you want to. Inside the back, you do have a fifth wheel hitch as well as a front mounted toolbox. If you want to take those out, you can. You can take the topper off if you want to. We decided to leave it on this particular one. You have your antenna mounted to the roof. The biggest cosmetic negatives on this one is the front of the hood has been reshot, and the hood has imperfections in the paint. Some hazy spots, some imperfections, some burn through spots, some little touch-ups. And then the roof really needs to be reshot. It's pretty sun faded up there. It's got some cracking spots. Again, it's probably sat outside At one point, got a little bit of sun fade on the roof, which you could easily have fixed. Just repaint the hood, repaint the roof, and you'd have a really nice truck. Walking around it, you do have your miscellaneous nicks, your little imperfections. There's kind of flaws all the way around the truck. There's a little bit of checking in the paint in a few areas. You do have the pinstripes all the way around it on the doors, as well as the upper portion of the truck. There's that pinstripe. You'll see photos of the imperfections on this pickup all the way around. It will be in that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Still is a good looking truck, but it does have its cosmetic flaws. If you're buying this to put it to work, not going to be the end of the world. If you want it to be super, super nice cosmetically, you could have a little bit of paint work to take it to the next level. It does have on the front grille surround some like little clip spots where it had something mounted at the on the front of the grille at one point. The wheels and tires, the tires are 2025 all the way around. The wheels do have some of your normal corrosion that these get. You'll see again photos of that on the website, pcclassiccars.com, in the additional media tab. Nice running boards. Driving position is really comfortable. These trucks had creature comforts as power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise, all of that stuff functions properly outside of that passenger side mirror not wanting to go up and down. Got your overdrive button here on the shifter that works properly. Even the little light lights up on there. You do have an aftermarket stereo in here. I forgot to touch on some Pioneer stereo you can hook your phone up to. Glass is in good shape. I don't see any major issues with the windshield. All four of the power windows go up and down like they should. Rear view mirrors clear and easy to see out of. Same with both of the side mirrors, and then you can clearly see out of the back glass, and it is a sliding back glass, so you can access the bed from that back glass if you need to. Inside the bed in the back, like I touched on before, you do have that fifth wheel, the hitch mounted back there, and then the toolbox. You have some imperfections and flaws in the bed floor, but nothing that's worrisome. It all still looks good back there. This is a truck that you're going to buy to use, so throwing stuff in the bed's not going to be the end of the world. When you pop the hood, you have your original motor in there, factory 7.3 turbo diesel. Wiring, fluids, all that stuff checks out good. No blow by. Charging system's doing its job. Fluids all look good. If I was hauling something, I'd have no problem hooking up to my trailer and using this truck every day. It's ready to go as far as I can tell, as far as the mechanicals. I love the fact that it's a four-wheel drive truck too. You get a lot of the dualies that are two-wheel drive trucks. You don't get a whole lot of them that are a factory four-wheel drive setup. Outside of, again, the fog lights, that passenger mirror, the cosmetic shortcomings that the truck does have. At the end of the day, if you're buying it to use it, that stuff is pretty irrelevant. If you want to fix some of the paint stuff, you can have it done. But a 79,000 mile four-wheel drive dually diesel Ford, killer truck. Gauges are all functioning. Temperature's where we want it to be. Speedo, tachometer, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, oil pressure. All that stuff's looking good. There you guys have it. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 1999 Ford F350 7.3 diesel, four-wheel drive, Ford truck with 79,460 miles. For myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content we're posting across the social platforms every single day. We'll catch you guys on the next video.